Our community is facing a moment of uncertainty. Recent national policies and rhetoric have raised fears among many, especially in marginalized communities. Promises to limit access to healthcare and public service and threaten healthcare providers, separate families through mass deportations, criminalize peaceful protest, and curtail workers' rights are causing deep concern. We recognize these fears. Over the past years, we've seen how identity-based violence and policies that target specific groups erode trust and safety. As your county attorney, I want to be clear, your safety matters to us, all of you. We are committed to upholding the rights of every resident, ensuring equal protection under the law, and addressing threats to our shared sense of security. Whether you are an immigrant, LGBTQIA, a worker, or anyone else feeling vulnerable, you are a valued part of our community. Our office is prepared to respond to challenges that undermine safety and justice. Together, we will work to ensure that our county remains a place where everyone can thrive.